All right, moving on to number 8. We're going to do the exact same thing as before, just fill everything out and get all of our different angles and side lengths, but this one's set up a little bit differently. First off, we have 3 sides, or 2 sides of the triangle, and we're going to find the third. That means we can do the Pythagorean theorem and not have to worry about trig for the third side, AB. So let's fill in what we have. AC is 7, CB is 10, and then the other 3, let's see, angle C is 90 degrees. Now, let's go ahead and run through the Pythagorean theorem to get AB. So we've got 7 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. We'll make that one be C. Now, that gives me 49 plus 100 equals C squared. 149 equals C squared. And now let's go ahead and simplify this. Square root of 149 equals C. And then the question is, can this thing be reduced? Can we simplify the radical? Let's run our calculator and start trying to divide by our perfect squares and see what happens. So 149 is going to be divisible by, I guess, half of that 70. Definitely it's not divisible by 81. And then it can't be divisible by any of the evens because it's not divisible by 2. So that was 9, so 7. Let's try 49. No, it doesn't work. 149 divided by 25 doesn't work. 149 divided by 9 doesn't work. So no, 149 cannot be simplified. So C, which is side AB, is the square root of 149. Now for our angles. I'm going to use the angle B here because we already have the variable x in there. From angle B, we have the hypotenuse at the top, we have the opposite over here at 7, and then we have adjacent at 10. I know opposite and adjacent make tangent. So we set our equation up. Tangent of x equals opposite is 7 over 10. Now, remember, when we solve for angles, what we're going to do is write the inverse function, tangent inverse, and then swap places with the angle and the ratio. So it's tangent inverse of 7/10 equals x. Now we just run to the calculator and type that in. Second tangent of 7 divided by 10. Gives me 34.99 degrees. Let's just go ahead and call that 35 degrees. Now, if this is 35 and this is 90, we're going to subtract from 180 to get the last angle. So 180 minus 90 minus 35 gives me a 55 degree angle. So measure of angle A is 55 degrees, and the measure of angle B was 35 degrees.